Hello everyone, today we will figure out how to find and download a working exploit at the moment. Recently Roblox closed all exploit injection methods, but my method will help you bypass byfron even on the browser version of Roblox. First of all, disable Windows Defender, it may cause problems with the injector. Next we go to my website using the link in the description and download my AOLX exploit from there, which does not require a key. After it has been downloaded, unzip it on the desktop. The password for the archive will be 1515. Open the folder and run the exploit as an administrator. Wait a couple of seconds and it will open. Before that, don't forget to start Roblox in advance. The exploit will be automatically injected. All scripts work on my AOLX, starting from DX and infinity yield to complex ones. The full script database will be there. As we can see, everything works well and without a ban. Our team of developers has managed to bypass Roblox's protection, and we are the only ones who have done it so far. We will not add a key to our exploit yet, it will be completely free and safe. Thank you all for watching. Leave your opinion about our exploit in the comments. Goodbye.